What's up, you guys? So, I'm gonna show you something. Welcome back to our channel. Yay, 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 yay. Welcome. We woke up at 9:30, but we're in the bed, right? But I think she is. I have to clean. You right? Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy, Chubby Cheeks? Chubby Cheeks. Hello. Right? Yeah. So, what's up, you guys? So I'll have some spaghetti. Look. Okay. So guys, dito na ako sa car checkup. And I hope for the best and everything is okay, because you know I don't want to spend a lot of money on this because I'm blank. Anyway, so you're not here. He already drive. It's gonna be there. And it cost, I don't know how much was that, but I'm just gonna put it in. Hey guys, wait. We passed. It's 2022 and it is ready to sell. Wow, that was a nerve cracking. This is the fifth or fourth time it passed, and you know what? Muna siya ika-upat or 5 or 4 times has been passed with the check. Woo! Yes! So ready. I hope somebody will going to buy this because we already bought like a winter tires, but we're gonna first, we're going to do some oil first and then it's gonna be good. Yes! Wings. Let's do some salad. I'm just gonna show you afterwards, but I bought this. This is for my husband, and we bought this as well because he has a very sensitive skin, but I have to, because it's like getting worse. I hope this will help. Anyway, I'm just gonna go home now. Ta-da!
það sem sé streetlaw á símanum.
Sé streetlaw?
Já, svona ekki svo mikið.
So what's up, you guys? At the moment, I'm the only one here. Kaya ako mag-ama. Naglakaw-lakaw sila. Tungnaw kayo ang gawas, and I don't really wanna go to work. So he did it. There is he. I'm gonna show you the ihang side karon. So okay.
Salamat, guys. It's like a game. Baby walker simulator. We're next to sea or called upon Björkunasveit. But we don't have any horsepower, but we have one dog power. Dog power can drag us out. So if you want one like that, just write in the comment, I want this dog. And we're gonna send you the picture of this dog, and if you're gonna like this picture and share it, so we can send you this one for free. His name is I Wanna Eat. Oh, we passed. One dog power drag our drop.
Going to edit while they are still walking, because that's the only This one, I bought this in IKEA. It's really nice because my makeup is all over. I don't have any like a lot of makeup. So yes, I'm going to edit something and then I'm gonna update you what I'm gonna do with the potatoes that I... This is how it looks like, and you can add some sauce. Yum yum. Guys, update. You can see nag-start na ang kuan bagyo. As you can see, it wasn't like this like 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago, and now it's like this. And the sea is the same thing as well. Yeah. Oh, guys, how we're doing? I don't know. Is the ube with cheese Pandesal, and I never tasted that, so we're gonna taste that together, me and you and me, you and me. We're gonna taste together, and how gonna taste, because I'm going to taste this for the first time. Bam. So as you can see, I've been craving. We are going to taste. So this is how it looks like. So someone is there too. So we are gonna taste together. Yeah. See? Very soft. Chewy. This is really good with coffee. Very chewy, and the quality of the bread is really good as well, as you can see. Well, my mom is like baking some like Pandesal, mamon, something like that bread, and it's always like someone is always buying. And this is the newest part, and this is really good. How? See, it's just like the last bite. Very warm. Easy to do. Like, I have the avocado and everything what you want. Okay, so guys, dinner is served. Rice, the veggies that I've shown you before, and then this one tortilla, sauces, salsa sauce, and what is this again? Sour cream, and this is the ground beef. Let's
get it.
So for Nikita's tortilla, he did first the sauce, the rice, and then meat, veggies, and the last one is the sour cream. He's gonna put that. He's gonna put that. And then mine is rice first, veggies, meat, salsa sauce, and so I'm just gonna show you. No, so I'm not gonna show you more because I'm hungry. And yeah, I'm gonna see you later, alligator.
Follow.
First, oi.
It's so
The
much
other side.
of the moon. It's so much Mexican style, guys. Like, I can feel I'm in Mexico.
Mexico.
Yes. If you wanna cook as good as he do, please subscribe and follow the channel. I love my husband. Calma.
Sunday, I think I'm so pabili ko sa kong mama karon. This is how it looks like. Merry Christmas, everyone! Have you seen the Iceland? This is Iceland. Yes, yes, yes. Going to the other side. Fufu. Sa kaya ang panahon kay nindot. Nindot siya, no? Kung sahay sad, dili makita ang dan karon kung siya kanang murag very calm nga snow, dry one. So you have kuan instead nga mag normal inyong drive, mag slower than the normal. It is a very